for the longest time thought that nighttime astronomy was dead at Mount Wilson because of the light pollution from Los Angeles. Nighttime astronomy had been retired and all they did was solar astronomy. But no, how fine detail can you resolve something in the night sky? And we want to always push this as far as possible.
Right.
Okay, there is a limit when it comes to the resolution that you can have with light. The larger the diameter of your lens, the smaller you can resolve.
Yes.
Right? That makes sense. That's why we have big telescopes. We can make the telescope size bigger without actually making the telescope bigger. The effective size. You've been to the VLA?
Yeah.
Very large array. Yeah, very large array in New Mexico. A giant 27-mile long radio telescope made of smaller telescopes that are all coordinated, and they can sense the time in which the light came. They can have them interfere. And so the light gathering power is not as much, but your resolution is limited by how far away your telescopes are. Right?
Yeah.
Now with radio, it's easier to do because the radio waves are slower.
Yes.
With visible light, it's harder, but actually the gold standard right now is in Mount Wilson. It's called a Cara array. It's a six 1-meter telescopes all along the mountain that you can see over there.
Yes.
The baseline is 330 meters, so about 3 football fields wide.
Yes.
It's effectively a visible optical light telescope that is 3 football fields wide. And with that, you can achieve an angular resolution of 0.2 micro arc seconds, which is insane because you can now image other stars like this.
Jesus.
Like this is a star called Altair. It revolves really fast on its axis, which is why it's got this like really big grapefruit bulge on the equator because it's revolving so fast. And because in the equator, you can also see that it's dimmer.
Yeah.
Because like that gas is farther away from the equator compared to the pole.
Yep.
So it's a little bit dimmer. Right?
Crazy.
This is a single star that we're imaging like this.
Yeah, that's incredible.
It's incredible.
No, it's
We've
incredible.
also with the Cara array, we've been able to see sunspots on other stars. So star spots on other stars with the Cara array. And it was really cool because the last time I went up there was for one of these, they have classical music concerts at Mount Wilson in the telescope dome.
Interesting.
And